Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make a, ducting reducer fitting in dynamic block. So let's start. Let's make REC rectangular. Click somewhere and at mark, and let's make 100, 200. So let's zoom. Enter, is it enter? Enter. So let's off the grid line. It's irritating. So let's rotate. Grid line off. Let's move here somewhere. I should off something. Yes, it's off already. So let's copy 3 numbers. 2, 3. So let's make a block. Select all, B, enter. Let's make duct reducing, duct reducer, dynamic block fittings. You can name any name you want, but here I am putting like that, just pick point. So let me select this edge and OK. Then right click, block editor. Now let's do this one, linear from the parameter. Click this. So one line like this and another one here. So make sure this same, the yellow down and this is up. And let's double click this one, or before double clicking we will rename this one. Click this one, PR, enter, properties. Let's name this one D1. And we will name this D2. Let's close. Okay, double click and we will select stretch, this one like this, and again enter, again double click, stretch here and select this, double click, stretch here. Okay, the same way, double click, stretch, click this, enter, again double click, stretch, so you can select this and like this and enter. So we will again put another one somewhere here. So this one I am going to name, you can press Ctrl 1 also, D1 length. So we have to draw another one. So let me make sure the yellow from this yellow, you should not put the yellow here, it should be other side. So let's delete this. So I have to draw the opposite way. No, other way. Yes. make sure this one, otherwise it will be problem. Let's control 1 D1 length. These are the parameter you will change once you load the block, and here we will do same. So make sure this yellow facing each other. Let's make D2 length. So double click this one, you can go again stretch. So this time here, select all, enter, and double click this and select stretch, and here and like this. Okay, then we will make one point center of this. Now we will make point this one, middle, double click, again stretch, you select now this all together. Again another point like this, double click, stretch, then all together. So you will do same here also. Double click, stretch, enter, another point, double click, stretch, okay. Now I need another liner. I'll make from here, and this one, double click and stretch also this one like this, and double click, stretch this one and like this, and enter. And this one I will name it reducer length. So this will be reducer length, enter. Let's close this one. So this one, double click again. I think I already assigned. Okay, let's close the block editor, save changes. Okay, let's check what will happen here. So now I need here, let's go to the properties, control 1, just keep it beside. So if you go down, I have list of what I need parameters. So this is D1 is duct 1, meaning this side, D2 is this one, and I have some D1 length, D2 length. So let's make duct 1 500. Now let's make duct 2, that meaning duct fittings 2, let's make 300. Let's go for the 300. So you can see this one how it is changing. You can drag this one, and also the same time you can drag this one. So this is how it will work. So you can move this one also like this if you want, or you can move this point down if you want, like this. Actually single point also enough. And also if you want to adjust the reducer size, you can do by manual also. Else you go to select, and here I made one reducer length, maybe you can make 400 something. So this is like this. So when you want to make something, this one you can use very faster. So let's copy something. This is, you can copy the same. So let's put this one beside. Okay, this duct length I already have, D2 is 300. So I need this D1 is 200. Okay, D1 is 200. And D2 maybe you can go for 100. So no, this one is duct 2 is 300, right? So I need D1 to 300. So it's perfectly, you can do this one. So I want to show more techniques. So double click. Okay. So here I will just paste attribute text. So let's put size, and I will go for 10 number. Let's go for 10. And this is field. You can go from here object. So you see here D1, D2 length. So let's put the D1. So click here, multiple, here, and D1 length. Okay, okay. So you can put it here in the corner. It's better. And we'll put another one. Let's put size also. Maybe size 1. And here D2. Okay. So let's put another multiply. Again D2 length. Okay. And okay. I'll put it this side. And let's close block editor, save. So you will not see here, but if you go inside and it will read your all your box. So I need this one. Click here and just press OK. Don't do anything, just close it. So here, okay, I have to do something again. Block editor. Okay, let's move this one little bit inside, somewhere here, and close block editor, save. And I need to move little more. Block editor, and little more like this. Otherwise it will cross the reducer. Save. Okay. Now we will do the same drill. Duct 1. Let's go for 500. And duct 2 size, we can go for 300. And if you want to enter the duct length by here, you can add also maybe 2 meter. And here also I will make duct 2 also 2 meter. And reducer length I need around, like let's say 300. So if you see here the text, it's already the duct size, it's mentioned 200. Let's make RE, enter. You will see the duct size 500 by 2 meter. Here you will see 300 by 2 meter. So let's go a block editor again. Better I make this one little corner. Yes, okay, close block editor, save. So you will see the size here. So example, how much this length, you don't need to measure, you can just go and check here and check here. So you can continue same like this, and you can make this one and keep save in your block collection. The same way we can do for the T connection, bend, and some all the fittings, so it will be easier to do the work. Example, I can show you another one. Let's say we have this one. How much we have? 500, right? 500. Okay, so let's make REC at, let's make 500 comma 2 meter also. So, oh, it's become big. Let's smaller. I don't want it that much. I think I do type 20 maybe. Yeah. So now no need the measurement, just leave it. Move. So you have to keep here, and you have to draw the band and too many things. But instead of that, we can make one fittings and just place it here and just move it. And I will, if I show you in this video, it will take another 15 to 16 minutes. I will show you in another video, but until now I will keep save this one, and let's save this one, desktop. Let's make a folder. Let's duct fitting, dynamic block. Yeah, so let's name this one, open, dynamic reducer duct fittings. Save. So we have duct fittings. Now save. Same like that, I will make another video for the T connection, another video for the bent connection. So I will continue this video. Let's go 1 2 3 4 like that, so it will not make you boring if I make a continuously 40-50 minutes video. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, just make comments. I will try to explain you. So this one also, it's possible to align as a manual also, and the same time you can type here parameters and it will change also. Say this one you can make smaller, bigger, whatever you want. Anything you do, it will change here. You just make RE, enter, this changes will become here. Decimal amount, anything you can make this one also. Anything, less you can play. So what will happen, I will make undo, it will make your work very faster. And also this one, let's say this one, you can change the color also. Just click this one, right click, block editor, and select all, select this all, go to the home and make this one by block, and you can close block editor, save changes. You can change this one to any color you want. And the same time, if you need hatch, also possible, right click, block editor, and just go to the hatch, enter. So just pick point, just pick this one, and you can choose this one, and you go for maybe 100 and close. I don't want to make everything, just you check this one. So it's, I want to show you it's possible also. You make hatch or whatever you want to do, you can play with this. Let's make a more smaller. Okay, right click, block editor. I think 100 is too much small. Let's make this one 500 or 300. Let's make gray and close block editor, save changes. So say it's changed, but if you change the color now, it's a different color. The gray color won't change because when I am selecting all, I was not doing any hatch that time. so the gray color will be stay same. So you have to focus on that one, and you copy another one. If you put different color also it's possible. And click this one and different color, so you can do your work very faster. This one you can move anything, blah blah blah. It's very easy. And enjoy the blocks, dynamic block. And if you have any comments, make comment on the video. I will try to reply, and I will make another video for T fittings, another video for bend, another video for all other fittings what is request for the ducting. And if you see in my play video list, you can see. And if you're not subscribe, and we will meet you inshallah in next video. Take care, bye.